Hey guys, it's Davin here at Brewbitz.com with this week's product of the week. But as usual, before I go into that, remember to like this video and subscribe to our channel so you can keep up to date with all the videos and all the products of the week and things like that we've got going on. Right, so this week's product of the week is going to be perfectly timed for Father's Day. And what we're doing is we're doing the Micro Brewery, and it either comes with an India Pale Ale kit or a Pale Ale kit. And we're going to give you £10 off with the code POTW, which we'll put up there. So 14th of June is going to be Father's Day. So if you want a fantastic little present that's going to allow him to make up 40 pints of India Pale Ale or 40 pints of Pale Ale, then this is a cracking little piece of kit. So as I say, we're going to give you £10 off. And there's quite a bit of stuff in here. We've got a big bag of gumph, which is all your siphons, your spoons, your sterilizer, CO2 cartridges, loads of instructions to help you out so you get the best of everything. And we've got one of these, which is a barrel, your tap for the barrels in that bag. You've got yourself a bucket. I'll make sure the clock works later. That's one for the outtakes, isn't it? I've got a big box here, and in here is all your beer kits and also a lid for your bucket as well. So that's what's in the microbrewery. And as I said, this week, especially for Father's Day, you can get £10 off the microbreweries, either the IPA or the Pale Ales, using the code POTW, somewhere up there. Just basically pop it into your basket, put the code into the discount code, and you'll get £10 off the order. Right, there we go. This week's product of the week, the Micro Brewery with either an India Pale Ale or a Pale Ale kit, £10 off. And I'm going to package this back up and make sure my clock still works. But from me now, have fun, happy brewing, and we'll see if we can save time. Oops.